and just levitate.
Hi guys, so welcome ulit sa ating YouTube channel. Ito na yung lesson 7 sa ating trigonometry. Ito yung application of right triangles. So using si angle of elevation and angle of depression. Okay, so start tayo. So the angle of elevation from point X to the point Y above X is the angle made by the line XY and the horizontal line. Sorry, So ulit ko lang, the angle of elevation is from point X. So meaning ko ito yung point X natin. So assuming ito yung point X. Okay, then sabi niya from point Y above X. So somewhere dito. Okay, then sabi niya may horizontal line daw. So assuming ito yung horizontal line. So assuming na rin horizontal yan. Okay, so yung is the angle made by the line XY. So meaning gagawa tayo ng line XY dito. Okay, line XY. So sabi niya is the angle made by the line XY and the horizontal axis. So meaning itong side na to, itong angle na to, okay, is the angle of elevation. So ano ba ibig sabihin ng angle of elevation? So kunyari lang ikaw, tao, so ito yung line of sight mo diretso. Okay, so yung diretsyon tingin mo, pag tumingin ka konti pa angat dun, so from horizontal to up, yun yung angle of elevation, yun yung angle nung pagtingin mo sa line of sight mo. Okay, so konting angat mo, may angle of elevation na mapoform yun. Yun yung ibig sabihin ng angle of elevation. So likewise, or siyempre, so consequently, meron tayong angle of elevation, meron tayong angle of depression. So sa angle of depression naman, yung pag tumingin ka sa baba, so mula sa line of sight mo, okay, ito yung line of sight mo, yung horizontal line. Pag tumingin ka sa baba, may angle ka na mag-form doon. Ang tawag naman doon, angle of depression. So, another thing, hindi porket pababa yung tingin mo, negative yung angle. Okay, hindi porket pagpataas, hindi rin negative. So, always naman tayong positive. So, sinasabi naman kasi lagi dito, pag tingin mo sa baba, may angle ka na na-form ng 20 degrees. So, parang automatic lang siya na naka-clockwise direction. Tapos ito, counterclockwise direction. Ayun lang yung magiging. So, drawing ko lang muna ito, no? So, the angle of depression from point X to point Y. Below X is the angle made by the line XY and the horizontal line pa rin. Similar thing. So, ang pinagkaiba, nandito daw si X. Si point X. Nandito si point Y. Kasi below eh. Okay, so may mapuform daw na angle na line dyan. So, let's say ito yung horizontal line sa taas. So, yan explanation ko. Then, this is the line XY. Okay, so ang tawag dito sa angle na mapuform natin dito is the angle of depression. So, weird ng word, no? Imagine mo depression. So, parang malungkot or something. So, ayun tawag yan. Okay, may other meaning naman kasi talaga. So, marami naman talaga meaning ang word na depression. Actually, parang dalawa lang din. So, isang negative meaning in terms of syempre ugali or psychological, pero in terms of math, ito yung meaning niya. So sa ibang case, may iba rin siyang meaning, I think, sa ibang branches, sa ibang field, depende siya sa paano gamitin. Okay, so let's have application nito para at least ma-appreciate nyo. So at the same time, ano napapansin nyo? Kung yung X, yung Y na yon is i-connect ko dito, kunyari i-connect ko sa something dito, makaka-form ako ng right triangle. So, in which this is the right angle. Similar dito, kung yung point X na to, magkaroon ako ng extended vertical line dyan, makaka-form din ako ng right triangle. So, meaning, ang application ng angle of elevation sa angle of depression is simply solution of right triangle pa rin. Okay, so ano nga pinagkaiba dito? Dito, kailangan ma-imagine mo ano yung itsura nung ating figure o nung sinasabi ng problem. So, ito ay cases na may mga barko, may mga tao, may mga flagpole, tapos yung itsura mo, paano papunta dito, papunta dyan. Okay, so dapat maintindihan mo rin yun. Okay, so let's have example para makapag tuloy-tuloy tayo. So, example, number 1. Okay, ano sabi? So, the angle of elevation from a point, so, walang sinabi, no? The angle of elevation from a point, so, something may point, is 49 meters from the base of a flagpole. Is from the base, 49 meters from the base of the flagpole to the top is 27 degrees. Find the height of the flagpole. So ulit ko lang, the angle of elevation from a point, so meaning may point daw. So, from the base of the flagpole. So, 49 meters siya from the base of the flagpole to the top is 27 degrees. So, ulitin ko lang. Assuming ito yung point natin. Okay, assuming siya si point X. Okay, then drawing tayo dito ng flagpole. So, another thing, dapat mag-drawing ka rin. I think para mas ma-illustrate mo siya ng maayos. So, drawing din ako dito ng flagpole. Okay, so assuming yan yung flagpole. Tapos okay. So ngayon sabi niya the angle of elevation from the point. So let's say that is X. 49 meters from the base. So ito yung 49 meters. So lalagay ako dito ng drawing. So dito yan. Base kasi to. Ito yung parang horizontal line. So yung measure niyan. So yung measure niyang part na yan is 49 meters. Okay, ngayon sabi niya the angle of elevation from the base of the flagpole, so from the point X is 27 degrees. So meaning, yung angle of elevation mula dito, so yung tingin is siyempre, kunwari top ng flagpole yung tinitingnan na. So this is 27 degrees. So assuming na lang top flagpole, hindi ko tinamaan kasi dapat paangat pa talaga totally. Okay, so ngayon ang tinatanong, find the height of the flagpole. So ito yung height, ito yung hahanapin natin. Okay, so ngayon, trigonometric function na kung saan makukuha ko yung h. Sir, pwede po is sine ng opposite over hypotenuse. Kaso wala akong given, wala akong value sa hypotenuse. So, ang possible, sir, that is tangent ng opposite over adjacent. Okay, so meaning tangent ng 27 degrees over is equal to opposite over adjacent. So, ang magiging solution, so that is tangent ng 27 degrees is equal to h over 49. Okay, then konting manipulation, so that is 49 tangent 27 degrees is equal to h. Siyempre calculate nyo lang din, so that is 49 tangent 27 degrees, that is 24.97 meters. Okay, so therefore the height of the flagpole is 24.97 meters. Ito yung height ng flagpole. So lagyan ko na lang dito ng value. So ito yung height of the flagpole. Okay, so sorry about sa drawing, dapat sagad talaga ang ganda sa dulo. Sa top kasi ng flagpole eh. Okay, na ano ko lang. Okay, so for number 2, the angle of depression from the top of a building to a fountain is 38 degrees. The fountain is 47 feet from the base of the building. Okay, so naulit is from the base. So now redundant yung sulat, sorry. So assuming delete yan. Okay, so the fountain is 47 feet from the base of the building. Find the height of the building. Ba't ka ba naulit yung type niya? Okay, so paano yung magiging tsura na ito? The angle of depression from the top of the building, so meaning dun sa top ng building to a fountain is 38 degrees. Okay, so drawing ko lang from to a fountain. So drawing ako ng fountain saka ng building. Assuming ang drawing sa ito yung building. So napakagandang drawing niya, sir. So welcome to my drawing class. So di ko napapangalanan yung building, baka ma-issue tayo. Okay, so the angle of depression from the top of the building to a fountain. So ano ba drawing ng fountain? Daw mag-drawing ng fountain. Okay, so assuming ito yung fountain. So ano ba yung fountain? Ayun, ganyan. So something na ganyan. So baka mukha siyang puno. Okay. So sabi na is 47 feet from the base of the building. So meaning Itong side na to, 47 siya dito. So, from the base of the building. So, ito daw, mula dito up to dyan, ang measure niya is 47 feet. Okay, so that is 47 feet. Ngayon, the angle of depression daw ng building from the fountain is 38 degrees. So, assuming na ito yan. So, ang mangyayari kasi, ito yung line of sight ng building. Okay? So, mapapansin mo, ito yung line of sight. So, ito dito mapuform si 38 degrees. Okay? So, again, ito yung line of sight ng building. Yung top ng building is doon. So, kung dahil angle of depression sa baba, yan, pag ganyan. Okay? So, ngayon, ang tanong, find the height of the building. So, meaning yung height ng building natin yung nahanap. So, height ng building, which is ito. Okay? So, kung napansin mo, dalawang triangle siya. So, ito yung unang triangle, ito yung pangalawang triangle. Ngayon, dalawang triangle siya in a such case na ito, kunyari, in straight line ko to. Okay? So, mangyari, kung 47 feet to, 47 feet din dito. Yun yung sure ko. Okay? So, itong part na to, 47 feet din yan. So, alam nyo naman yan sa ating analytic geometry. Next, kung ito yung height, therefore, ito rin yung height. Okay? Nandito rin syempre si height. Kasi parehas sila dyan. Okay, ngayon, anong hinahanap? Yung height ng building. So, paano natin mahanap ulit yung height ng building? Mahanap natin yung height ng building kung that is tangent ng opposite over adjacent. So, simply, so the solution is equal dito. That is tangent ng 38 degrees is equal to h over 47 feet. Okay, so that is 47 tangent 38 degrees, which is equal sa h. Okay, so that is simply 47 tangent 38 degrees. Okay, pakalki lang. So that is 36.72. So simply h is equal to 36.72 feet. Okay, then box. So lagyan ko lang konti ng parang conclusion or something. So this is the height of the building. Height of the building. Okay, so napakadali niya. Sin mo, no? Napakadali. So isa pa example. Okay, so let's have number 3. Okay, so the angle of elevation of the top of tower B from the top of tower A is 28 degrees. So imagine mo, the angle of elevation from the tower B to the top of tower A, so top ng tower B to the top of tower A is 28 degrees. And the angle of elevation from the top of tower A from the base, so from the base of tower B is 96 degrees. So the two tower line in the same horizontal plane. If the height of the tower B is 120 meters, find the height of tower A. So obviously, since yung top down ng tower B, yung angle elevation na po-form nito to the top of tower A is 28 degrees. So meaning, so sa drawing na to, mas malaki yung tower A sa tower B. Tama. So in terms of drawing, ano nag-itsura niya? Assuming ito yung magiging drawing natin. Galingan ko na lang. Okay, so ito yung drawing. Tower natin. Assuming na ito yung alulod. Okay, so ito yung tower B. Alulod tuloy sabi ko. Rinig ko kasi alulod din sa labas. So ito yung tower A. So kung nasa same horizontal distance daw sila, assuming na ito ay horizontal distance, na same plane sila, I mean, yan. Okay, so ito yung drawing na ating tower A. Nababanggit ko alulod. Okay, then yan. Yan. Okay, so ito yung tower A, tower B, then tower. So ito yung tower B. Tower B, then tower A. Okay, ngayon. So punta na tayo. Yan sabi, the angle of elevation from the top of tower B to the top of tower A is 20 degrees. So, meaning, mula daw dito, sa top na to, papunta doon. Yun na naman, di na naman tumama. Assuming tumama dyan. Yung angle of elevation niya is 28 degrees. Okay, kasi top eh. Okay, next. The angle of elevation from the top of tower A to the top of, from the base of lower B. So meaning dito yung angle of elevation. So paangat doon. So the angle of elevation simply ito daw ay 96 degree. Okay, ngayon, ang hinahanap natin, if the height of tower B is 120, so ito ay 120 meters. Okay, so ang tanong, find the height of tower A. So mismong tanong sa atin, find the height nung tower A. Okay, so ngayon, kung napapansin mo, ano yung height of tower A natin? Sir, hindi ko po masyadong imagine na kung ito ay 120. Okay, so hindi ko pa sure kung ano yung value nito. Tama, kasi 120 to pero hindi ko alam yung value nito. So kumbaga, yung height natin is equal sa 120. So yung height natin is equal to 120 plus something, hindi to. Okay, so meaning hanapin natin yung value dito. Yun yung gagawin natin dyan. Baliktad ako, sorry. Okay, sama, baliktad ako, sorry. Ang sabi pala, no, sabi na, if the height of tower B, okay, so the height ulit ko yung drawing. So the angle of elevation of the top of tower B from the top of tower A is 28 degrees. Again, yung word na from. Okay, so yung word na from. So, ito yung pansin natin nga. Pagdating dito, the angle of elevation from the top of tower A, from the base of tower B, from the base of tower B, baliktad. Okay, so dapat ang drawing, ito ay A. Sorry, nalito ako. Then ito yung B. So, obviously dito, ang mas malaki pala, ang tower B. Okay, ngayon yung height daw ng tower B, sorry, palitan ko lang yung drawing. Ito yung H. Okay, ito yung 120 meter. Okay, so ayan yung magiging drawing natin. So ngayon, ang tanong ulitin ko lang. Ang tanong, find the height of tower na to. Yung tower A. Kasi from yun yung word na from. Yung from pala yung medyo napatedges yan. So ngayon, kung napansin mo, may mapuform tayong dalawang right triangle dyan. Okay, so let's say na, diba, ito yung horizontal distance. Yung horizontal distance, let's say na yan ay D. So kung D yan, D rin to. Okay, pareha sila may D sa horizontal distance. Okay, pero pinagkaiba, H to, 120 to, ano to? Itong side na to. Ito yung problema. Ngayon, idodrawing ko muna yung dalawang triangle na mapuform natin. Yung unang triangle sa taas. Yung unang triangle sa taas na mapuform is ito. So this is 28 degrees. Tapos ito yung D. Okay, tapos hindi natin alam to. Kasi part lang ng triangle. Yung pangalawang triangle na mapuform natin is ito. This is equal sa, this is yung 96 degree. Okay, ito yung D. Ito yung H. Okay, so ayan yung mga possible na tanong. Ngayon, ang problema, kulang tayo ng given pa. Ngayon, tingnan niya, kung ito H, ito 120, ano to? Switch ito yan, diba? Okay, ulit ako. Ito H, ito 120, ano to? So, itong part na to, itong part na yan, that is simply 120 minus H. Kasi kung 120 yun, minus ko ng H, makukuha ko yun. Okay? So, therefore, this is 120 minus H. Okay, so now, using dalawang triangle na yan, magpo-form tayo o magpo-formulate tayo ng dalawang solution or dalawang equation. So una, in this case, so that is tangent 28 is equal to 120 minus h over d. So that is tangent 28 degrees is equal to 120 minus h over d. Okay, then solve for d lang tayo. So that is d is equal to 120 minus h over tangent 28 degrees. Okay, so let me call this equation number 1. So sinolve po lang ngayon for d kasi pareha silang may d. Next is solve natin yung isang triangle. So that is tangent 96 degree. That is tangent 96 degree is equal to h over d. Okay, so similar thing, solve natin yung d. So therefore that is d is equal to h over tangent 96 degree. So let me call this equation 2. So kung napansin mo, equation 1 and 2 are both equal to d. Okay, so pwede nating equate si equation 1 and equation 2. So equate. So this simply equate equation 1 and 2. Okay, so if d is equal to 120 minus h over tangent and d is equal to h over tangent 96 degree, equal yung dalawang yan. So that is simply equal dito sa tangent so 120 minus h over tangent 28 degrees is equal to h over tangent 96 degree. Okay, then syempre cross multiply natin. So this is simply tangent times dito. So this is 120 minus h times tangent 96 degrees equal to h tangent ng 28 degrees. Okay, next is syempre solve natin yung value ng h kasi h yung hinahanap height Okay, so solve for the value of h. So ang gagawin ko, simplify ko lang further to. So di-distribute ko yan, that is ulit i-distribute mo to dito, distribute yan. So that is 120 tangent 96 degree minus h 96 degrees is equal to h tangent 28 degrees. Okay, next is siyempre transpose natin to. So this is 120 degrees 120 96 tangent 96 degree is equal to h tangent 28 degrees plus h tangent 96 degrees. So sinasolve ko kasi yung value of h, tapos factor out natin h dito. That is 120 96 degree is equal to h times tangent 28 degrees plus tangent 96 degree. Okay, syempre divide natin both side by dito para masolve natin yung h. So therefore, what is the value of h? H is simply equal sa 120 tangent 96 degree all over ito, yung tangent 28 degrees plus tangent 96 degrees. Okay, next is syempre solve natin sa calc yan. That is 120 tangent 96. Okay, all over tangent ng 28 plus tangent ng 96. Okay, so ikakalkin-alkin na ni sir yan. So that is simply 127.10. Okay, so that therefore h is equal to 127.10, that is in meters. Okay, kasi naka-meter tayo. Oh, baliktad na naman ako sa drawing. Okay. Yung given is na 46 degree, kaya pala. Pero imagine mo yung lapit. Kasi ito yung medyo nangyari Ang mangyayari, mas malaki bali si tower A, si tower B. Ayun yung lalabas. Okay, pero sa figure kasi, imagine niya, ang naging mali sa drawing ni sir is ang mali sa pagkakuha ko ng value, yung 96 na yan, that is 46. Okay, so sorry about that. So palitan natin to. So gagawin ko tong 46. So paki-edit na lang So this is 46 din to. So magiging 46 to. Ito 46. Okay, so medyo may konting edit tayo dito. So this is 46. 46. 46. Sorry edit ko lang. So this is 46. So 46. 46. 46. 46. That's 46 to. Okay, so this is 46. So ito ay 46. Okay, so palitan ko lang yung sagot. Sorry kasi nagkamali sa given. Kasi imagine lumaki yung angle, pero imagine mo, yung mas malaki si tower, obvious na mas malaki si tower B, tapos biglang tawag dito, magkalapit, tapos mas malaki yung angle. So meaning, pag mas malaki yung angle, mas malapit, mas malaki yung isa. So parang ang sarcastic nung dating ng definition. So, solve ko lang, that's 120 tangent 46. So that is 120 tangent 46. Sorry about that. Tapos tangent 28 plus tangent 46. Ayun ko lang napansin mo sa given. Okay, so that is simply 79.28, which is reliable. Totoo na. Kasi 120 to, 79 to. So alam ko na mas malaki si tower A. So yung height ng tower A natin is simply equal sa 79.29 meters. Okay, so sorry about doon kasi nangyari is yung word na from ay hindi na nakagulo. So from dapat talaga pabaliktad. Ganun yung mangyayari. Okay, so nag-edit lang ako dyan is yung 96, ginawa kong 46, 46, 46. Paki-edit na lang din. Okay, next is ito yung ating number 4, last example para dito sa angle of elevation and depression. So point A and B are 100 meters apart and are of the same elevation as the foot of the building. The angle of elevation of the top of the building from point B to point A are 21 degrees and 32 degrees respectively. How far is A from the building? Okay, so yung tanong, how far is A from the building? So suot ko lang ulit. So ito yung point A. Next, this is point B. Okay, then this is the building. Okay, so ayun yung mangyayari. Tapos syempre na same sila ang level. Okay, ngayon sabi na yung angle of elevation o yung itong dalawang noto, ito ay 100 meters apart. Okay, ngayon the angle of elevation from the top of the building from point A and point B, from point B to point A is 21 and 32. So from point B, siyempre si point B yung mas malapit, siya yung mas malaki. So siya yung, dahil ganun nga, pag the more na mas malaki, the more na lumilit yung angle. So itong part na to up to the top ng building, tas dito yun. So ito yung 21 degrees, ito yung 32 degrees. So pansin nyo, the more na lumalapit yung point, the more na lumalaki yung angle. Kung napansin nyo. Ngayon, kung ito yung X, represent ko to as X, itong side na to, yung distance ng B sa distance ng ating building is X. As yung distance ng A and B is 100 meter. Ang tanong, what is the distance of from point D, A to the building? Ayun ang tanong. Okay, so again, may dalawa tayong triangle na ma-form dyan. So assuming ito yung height ng building, so hindi natin concern yung height ng building. Okay, so may dalawang triangle na ma-form dyan. Una yung maliit. Ano yung unang triangle na ma-form? Yung maliit. So yung unang triangle is, this is 32. Okay, then this is X, this is H. Okay, yung pangalawang triangle, yung mas malaki, o right triangle I mean, this is 21 degree, this is h pa rin kasi same pila ng height, pero this is simply d, or d is equal to 100 plus x. So d is equal to 100 plus x. Okay, so mula doon sa right triangle, magpo-form ulit tayo ng ating equations. So since ang hanap natin is yung distance, yung d, okay, which is 100 plus x, so ang goal natin that matira yung x, so meaning yung h yung tatanggalin natin. So for the first solution, that is tangent 32. So kung napansin nyo, laging tangent din yung nagagamit. So that is tangent 32 degrees is equal to h over x. So we need to solve for h. So that is simply x is equal x tangent 32 degrees is equal to h. So let me call this equation number 1. Okay, next is si pangalawang triangle, ito yon. So that is tangent 21. That is tangent 21 degrees is equal to h over 100 plus x. Or simply this is 100 plus x tangent 21 degrees is equal to h. So ito yung equation 2. Okay, so next meron dalawa tayong equation. Equate natin yung dalawang h, no? So equate. So equate equation 1 and 2. So in terms of h is equal to x tangent 32. H is equal to dito. So una, this is x tangent 32 degrees is equal to 100 plus x tangent 21 degrees. Okay, then siyempre distribute natin to. This is x tangent 32 degrees is equal to 100 tangent 21 degrees plus x tangent 21 degrees. Okay, next is siyempre solve natin yung value ng x kasi x yung hinahanap natin para makuha natin yung d. Okay, so solve for x, substitute natin dito. Transpose. This is x tangent 32 degrees minus x tangent 21 degrees is equal to 100 tangent 21 degrees. Okay, factor out sa x. That is x times tangent 32 degrees minus tangent 21 degrees, which is equal to 100 tangent 21 degrees. Okay, therefore the value of x is equal to 100 tangent 21 degrees all over tangent 32 degrees minus tangent 21 degrees. Okay, so calculate natin yan. Asan ang aking calcul? That is 100 tangent 21, okay, all over tangent 32 minus tangent 21. Okay, so that is 159.27 or 28, sorry. So x is equal to 159.28 input. So this is input. Ay, di, meter, sorry. Nakaput kasi. This is in meter. Pero, syempre, hindi pa yan sagot. Kasi ang tanong, what is the distance from A to the building? So, that is D. So, D simply is equal to 100 plus X, which is equal sa 100 plus, yung na-solve natin, na 159.28 meters. So, therefore, D is equal to 259.28 meters. Okay, ito yung distance ng A, ng point A to the base of the building. Okay, so ito yung magiging sagot. So, hoping na may natutunan ka, medyo challenging to. So, dapat nakaka-form ka ng, so after mo ma-drawing, mag-form ka ng dalawang right triangle, mag-equate ka, ayun yung mga technique dito. So, hoping na may natutunan ka. So, thank you for watching. So, make sure na panoorin mo pa yung sunod.